Well, part of the realities is it's a very scary environment, and that's why people hire lawyers because they don't know what they're walking into.
Hmm.
So what I'm trying to do, like with my TikToks, is give people an idea of what is it you're really facing here. When you walk in that courtroom and you've got the bailiff over here, and then you've got the judicial clerk on this side, and you're walking in there and you have to like start defending yourself. How do you prepare to speak to the judge? What's that going to be like? You're going to have a bailiff over here, and you're going to have to check in here and let them know you're present and ready. And you're going to have to meet with the other side. You're going to have to exchange exhibits, and that means you have to come to court with exhibits, and you have to have one for the other side, and one for the witness, and one for the judge, and one for yourself.
You've got to
Yeah,
go through the metal detector. You did not want to piss those guys off either because they will make your life a living hell, right? I'm like,
yeah,
yeah, empty your pockets before you go in. Make sure you don't have even your keys before you walk through that detector. Yeah, I always said treat them as the best way you can. Yes, sir. No, sir. What would you like me to do, sir? Be polite and be respectful. It just helps you and I think you're kind of saying the same thing in the sense that if you do all that, nobody's going to care per se. But if you go the other way and I've seen guys scream and yell at these guys. Why do I got to go through a metal detector?
With your kids, join our VIP program today.